Alright guys, welcome back to the tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a building. So like a building that you can enter. So I didn't make a picture for the inside of the building yet. I forgot to do that. So first off, we're going to go to the main menu here, which we don't actually need. But what I'm looking for is this play button right here. I want to copy this play button because we're going to be using it basically. So what I want to do is basically we're going to walk into the door. I'll actually show you if I load up the game here. So if you come over here, if we walk into this building here, I know it's pretty bad, but this square is the door right here. So if we walk into the door, it's going to teleport us to the building basically, inside of it. So what we need to do is we need to go into the update, and on top of the up and down stuff, we're going to paste that there. I'm going to call this building 1 entrance. There we go. So now instead of it being pause X and pause Y, it's going to be the character position X and character position Y. X, Y, and Y. So now what we need to do is we actually need to go into the game, and this is where our current situation comes in handy. What is this not working? Did I forget to copy one of these? There we go. So we actually need to go in the game now. And now this is where this comes in handy. So we have our X and our Y here. So I have to guess it. There's probably better ways to do it. I'm just going to guess it though. So we're going to come here. X, it goes from, let's say, 888, negative 888 to negative 932. So if it's greater than negative 932, but less than negative 888. So if it's negative numbers, make sure you're getting these right. The bigger the negative number, the smaller it is. And then for Y, we're gonna walk this way. So we want it if we're a little bit onto the door. So negative 521 and negative 596. So if it is greater than negative 596, but less than negative 521, we're going to enter state. Oh, we don't actually have a state for this yet. So we're going to enter state 2. So what we need to do is we need to copy all of this here. And we're going to make inside of our source folder, we're going to name new class. I'm just going to call this building 1. And then we're going to paste that in there. Rename this to building 1. And building 1. And I believe that's all we need to do. But where's the inside here, we actually aren't going to want, let's just do it the simpler way. /star. And it's because we don't want this in here right now. Yes, we do. That's a lie. We're going to want to leave. But I'm going to have to get a picture, so right now we don't need to leave. So we're just going to do like that. So once you enter here, you just have to go to the main menu to leave, pretty much. Basically, you'll do the same thing for this, just to enter. Actually, here, I'll get an image for it. Oops. Alright, so now I got the building 1 right here. So where does this say world? So right here where it says image world, I'm going to change this to building 1. And then we're going to set building 1 equal to res/building 1. Save that. Clearly I spelled one of these wrong, so we'll just use whichever one of this is. Oh, I don't want it to be wrong like that, actually. I see it now. There we go. Everything like this is all going to be the same, but you're going to want to set the positions differently. So like all here where it says these if it's less than all that stuff, you're going to want to set that to the right size, which I'm not actually even going to bother to do. Or maybe I will, I don't know. What does it say? World. Building 1. Now it should be all good. Okay, so now, oh, we have to set this though. Make sure we set this to 2. And we also have to go back here and create the state. So this is going to be under building 1. And we're going to rename, this is going to be building on. We'll just call this building on because I already named something building 1 and I don't want to name them both building 1. Can I put, I can't put numbers, right? Oh, I can. Okay. I'm not used to being able to do that. Oh, wait. Building 1. Building 1. All right. So also down here, we need to this get state. Building 1. That should be it now. So, if we launch this game, hopefully I did everything I was supposed to. And we're going to walk. I wish it started closer. So as you see, we have our door there. And all we need to do is walk up to that door. Did I do something wrong? Let's check this really quick. World map, did I not finish what I was typing? Oh, okay. Sorry, we don't need the if button is down 0. That's why. So just get rid of the if button is down 0. Same thing in building 1, actually. Even though we haven't actually done this yet. We don't need the if button is down 0. Unless you want to make it so you have to be standing on there and clicking the button down. Or you want to do it the other way, that would work. But now, if we go into here, this should work. As you can see now we're in here, but there's no sides yet. So I'll actually set the sides right now. So left or right is, actually let's start with up. That'll be easier. So we don't want them to probably pass like there. So Y is 327. So we'll do this too. So if up is 327, what else? Wait, actually we already can't really go up. We didn't really need to change that. This one is gonna be, oh, this one's actually fine too. Is down fine? I doubt down is fine. Yeah, okay. So then down is gonna be a negative 141. And I'm guessing left needs to be changed too, or right. So negative 141 and 61, and negative 14. So negative 141 and then negative 16. And then I also what I want to do is set this right here. Oh, we need / there. So let's just do this really quick. We probably should be in debug mode, but whatever. So we come down here and we go into the building. So you should know how to do this already, so you probably don't even need to watch the rest of this. So for X, it's gonna be from 294 to 152. So 152 to 94, and then for Y we are going to do we want to walk on the door, so we'll say negative 92 to negative 140. So negative 140, negative 92, and then we want to enter state 1 again. So now we go in here, play, and we just walk over to our place, go in the door, and then we want to leave now, so we just walk over here. And it does glitch out a little bit, but the bigger the door is, the more it's going to glitch out, actually. So you can set that smaller. I haven't really figured out a fix for that just yet. If I ever do, I'll definitely tell you guys. So yeah, that's it for making another building. So yeah, thanks for watching.